Many financial problems do not start with big mistakes. They often begin with habits that feel completely normal. Buying a coffee on the way to work, ordering food after a long day, upgrading devices, subscriptions, or services. None of these actions seem unusual. But when these habits repeat every day, they can slowly create financial pressure. Humans naturally develop routines. Daily habits make life easier and more predictable. Morning coffee, lunch outside, online shopping during breaks, streaming services in the evening. But the real impact of spending habits only becomes clear when looking at the bigger picture. Modern technology has made spending incredibly easy. With saved payment methods, purchases can be completed within seconds. Breaking the spending trap does not require eliminating every small purchase. Instead, it often begins with awareness. The goal of financial awareness is not restriction. It is intention. Recognizing these habits is the first step toward better financial awareness. Invest in your financial education, because understanding money may be one of the most valuable investments you can make.